Hello and welcome to another episode of whatever I'm doing, cooking, learning to cook. And today I'll be cooking for the first time ever a burger. Here I have some tomatoes, lettuce, red onions, gherkins. I couldn't find any normal size big ones. Just got the mini gherkins, but hopefully when I chop them up it will be alright. Got some pepper, got some cheddar slices, some salt. I have a mustard. I have my beef, my ground beef. Got some barbecue sauce, and that's it. So let's go. Okay, so let's try this again. When I filmed that introduction, that was actually last night, and I didn't realize that I forgot to buy my burger buns, so I couldn't continue filming. So it's the next day and I've got my burger buns, and I got my mincemeat out again. I didn't keep it overnight, don't worry. I put it in the fridge. This was actually from a butcher. I'm not sure how much fat is in it, to be honest. You're supposed to have a lot of fat, I heard. Because one thing he said in the video that I'm following is, I'll put the link to that video below, the link that I'm following the recipe for. I mean, how much of a recipe can you have really for a basic burger? But he said you don't need to put any oil in because there's enough fat in the meat. I didn't ask how much fat there was in the meat, so I'm just gonna hope that it'll be alright. I might just put a bit of oil in the pan. There's some dirty oil in there, so maybe that would do. So let's get started. Now I don't have either a sharp knife or a very big knife, so this is going to go terribly. And if you watch the video in the link in the description, the one that I'm following, you'll know what makes me. I don't even know how to cut. This is not going to go well for a tomato. I really need a big knife. Oh wait, that's going okay. It's not that bad actually. Oh wait. Okay, that's alright. Whoa, that one wasn't so good. And that one was a bit hopeless. So, oh wait, I'm not even in the frame. Here we are. Is that enough for one burger maybe? Maybe I'll do another one just in case. I don't really know how to cut lettuce. Never done it before, but can't be that hard, but probably will be that hard with this knife. I just wet it, put it under the sink for a few seconds. I don't know if that's what I was supposed to do, but that's what I did. So let's get cut. Oh, is this? Some chunky lettuce I've got here. Let's try it. Clearly not gonna get, the nice round shape because they're so small. Need some width on them, but yeah. Oops. Not ideal, but I couldn't see any big ones. Certainly not pickled ones. I mean, should be okay, right? And to my onion. Here we go. My red onion. My dough knife. Oops. That's a really thick piece. That's not how it's supposed to look, is it? Oh gosh. Oh, my eyes already. Wow. I'm not even cutting this. How am I can't even get a hold on this? That's terrible. terrible. So let's see how much meat I have. There I have, that's only 1 pound of meat, so I'm not sure if I can even, how many I can make, 2 maybe? I don't want to get a lot. Okay, how do I do this? Never made a burger before. Is this enough? This isn't shaping very well. It's not shaping well at all. It's looking to be quite a small burger. I will make another one. Is this why it's called a patty? Because you have to pat it? Maybe that's what I'm doing wrong. Is that too thick? Okay, there's my 2 pretty bad looking patties. So let's get cooking. So is this actually going to stick onto the thing now? And pepper. I only have this meal, so I have to do this by hand. Turn it over. So let it just all falls off. Maybe it would be better to season it in the pan. Not sure. But he did it before, so I'm doing it before. So here we go, 3.5 to 4 minutes on each side. That looks, I thought it might have been burned, but that looks pretty good. So it's been another 3.5 minutes, so let's get these off. Oh darn, I forgot to put the cheese on. Why didn't you remind me to put the cheese on? Oh, this is way too sticky. Maybe I should have left it in the fridge. forgot to put the lettuce on first. So hopefully my bread hasn't gone greasy. And by the way, one of the buns I put in the toaster, and the other one, as you saw, I put in the pan. These are very small buns, as you can tell. There wasn't much options available. They were called burger buns though. Oh no! Not ideal. By the way, my patties were falling all over the place a minute ago. Oh my! As you can see, my tomato fell onto my cooker. I think maybe one tomato might be too much. You know, I think I'll just stick out one tomato because these are gonna fall off otherwise. Now it's time for some gherkins. Now I really feel I needed thin slices. I had some squeezy mustard, but all I have is this. I have to use a spoon. I don't really like the taste of mustard. I tried it for the first time when I was making something on this channel. I don't even remember what. I was totally blown by the flavour. That was the first time I really had it. But I didn't have it with any meat. I just had a little bit on my finger and into whatever I was making. And I put quite a lot of mustard on for someone who doesn't like mustard. Maybe I'll get used to it. I don't have any ketchup, but I have some barbecue sauce, so I think. Here we are. How's that? Look at the mess I've made. And finally, we put on the top bun. Oh, you can see that one. That's the one I put in the toaster. It was not a good idea. That's why I put the other one on the pan briefly. No. For the taste. Now the burger's probably gone cold after trying to assemble this beast. Can I even pick this up? I've never had a burger so thick in my life. Oh, this thing just falls out. Okay. I think it should have been thinner, maybe the patty. I'm not sure. Maybe I needed stronger bread. Gosh, this is everywhere. I hate this cheese. I really should have put the cheese on when it was on the cooker, because on the heat, because it is cold cheese pretty much. Oh, this looks slimy. Okay. Can't even get a bite. There is way too much between these buns. Way too much going on here. Wow. This is too much for these buns. Sliding everywhere. The mustard don't taste that bad. That's what it looks like on the inside. Was that how it's supposed to look? Apparently 3.5 minutes to 4 is a medium rare. Medium to medium rare, I think. I think that's what he said. I don't taste anything particularly bad about it. And you know what? Since I made this burger for the first time ever, I'm gonna call this my favorite burger ever. I think the beef is cooked inside. Nice sharpness to the mustard. It tastes seasoned. Doesn't taste dry. No, I'll definitely be eating all of this. I've got a lot of waste behind me. I have no idea what I'm going to do with all that lettuce. So, you know what, I'll definitely be wanting to make burgers again. And I'll definitely be experimenting and altering, and I think maybe I needed it just a bit thick. In future I'll try and get bigger burger buns, but I don't know if they do them bigger. I'm sure they must do. This is quite grotesque to look at, I'll tell you, quite grotesque to handle. But you know, it's fresh and well, apart from the cheese, I mean that's probably processed, but the rest of it, I think I'd probably put just one cheese. I knew I should have just put one cheese on, but he said, you know, the Star of David, so I put 2 on. But then again, he also put it on when it was on the heat, and I put it on afterwards. I think I'll enjoy this more with a knife and fork. Ironically, but thank you for watching. I enjoyed making my first burgers ever. Maybe you'll join me in future. I'm thinking of making a fish and chips video one day, so having a lot of fun with this, so I hope you are too. Bye.